So in the last video, we were using a thing called layer masks, and layer masks work by using pixels. Okay. And in this video, we're going to use what we call a vector mask, which use vector points. And you're going to see how by using the pen tool, we can create an even more efficient way of working with the pen tool and selecting areas in using this system. And also, you'll start to see the difference between the two kind of masking systems or different ways of masking. So let's just go and look at the pen tool again and just point out a few other issues that could occur when you're using the pen tool. Because what we're used to doing is we're going in and then we're selecting an area, and then we go up to the path tool, and then we click on here to make the selection. What we have to be careful of is up here is how we combine the shapes together. Now, in the previous video, we had the subtract from shape, which meant the background was being immediately selected. If we combine shapes and select, you can now see that we've selected the whole of the shape itself. It looks the same, but you'll notice there's no marching ants, as they call them, going around the edge. So we need to be mindful of that when we go in and use the vector mask tool. So I'm just going to deselect that again. And this time I'm going to just pop over to there and then go and use my tool again. And I'm just going to do a very quick selection around our bow tie. And then we'll come back to the beginning. Now then, making sure that we've got that combined shapes selected, we're going to go up to layer, vector mask. Okay, and we're going to do current path. And there it is, all ready to edit at any point. Okay, you see now that the background has been grayed out. Okay. And it's the foreground that's in white. So when you go and choose, they're your options from the vector mask. Reveal all and hide all will reverse those. Okay, so if you wanted the background to show rather than the foreground, you could chop and change those around. In the same way, when you select from here, if you wanted the background rather than the foreground, you could do it at this level as well. So now what we can do is if we use our white tool here, at any point, we can go and adjust to our heart's content. And you'll see that it's got what we call a live editing. Okay. I'm just going to repeat that and maybe try and show you how you do it a different way, because I can delete the vector mask. Okay, this time, if you can have a little look, I'll just go straight on and put the vector mask straight on, and I've got to put reveal all. You'll see now, this is the reverse. So if I go and draw very quickly something round, you'll see now that, oops, let's do that again. There we go. Let's just start that again. That up to image. And making sure I've got the subtraction on there. This time it will work. You can see now what's happening is that it's the background. It's been selected. So I've reversed that out. And over here, this is in white and this is in grey. So you need to watch for that. And you saw there that I got in a slight pickle because the moment that you select the tool and combine the shapes, it doesn't matter what you do up here. Okay, when you do the create the vector mask, it will start to automatically reverse and show you that, okay, because I've got this selected here, and you'll see that's gone into grey over there. Okay, so there's a little sample of how you can use vector masks.